can sell my home on my own. How difficult can it be? Many sellers feel this way. However, potential buyers may not. Your first thought is you can save money on commission, but do you really? According to DaveRamsey.com, sellers using the for sale by owner option sold their homes for less than the median price of other homes. I'm Christine Lurie, real estate broker with App Properties. There is so much to consider in selling your home, and it can be overwhelming to say the least. First things first, start with a deep clean and staging of your home, making it model home ready. Prepare your marketing. Digital marketing, signs, videos, flyers, just listed cards, and properly posting and exposing your home to the masses on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and more can be overwhelming and take an enormous amount of time to learn to do. Did you get professional photography or just use your phone? Most buyers are looking online first, and then they will schedule to see your home. The photos online are their first impression of your home, and you never get a second chance at that. Remember, this is the buyer's largest investment they will make in most cases. Next, you're going to start getting phone calls. Do you have a system in place for follow-up and schedule set for showings? If a buyer's agent calls, are you willing to pay them a commission? After all of the showings, follow-up, and runaround, you finally get an offer. Or 10. Now what? Does the loan type make a difference in the sale? Is the highest offer really the best offer? How do you determine if buyers are qualified? You accepted an offer. What comes next? Do you have the proper connections with a title escrow company? Do you know what to provide to them? Do you have a complete purchase contract? Escrow is open. Do you have all the disclosures that are required for a successful close of escrow? Do you know how long you have to provide them to the buyer? Are you overwhelmed yet? Just wait, there's so much more. You need to coordinate with lenders for the appraisal, with title for signing documents, and all the while being available for inspections and showing the home to the buyer's parents and cousins for the third time. Do you know how long buyers have to perform inspections? What are you obligated to do regarding repairs? What if the appraisal comes in low? Woo! Are you exhausted yet? All the while, you are supposed to be packing and coordinating your move to your new home. Isn't that stressful enough? I think I have made it abundantly clear why you should hire us at App Properties. We handle all of this for you and then some. Allow my team and I to relieve you of not only the stress, but of some of the time involved in coordinating a smooth transaction. Let's connect and discuss your real estate goals and how we can achieve them together. Again, this is Christine Lurie with App Properties, and as always, home is key to a happy life, so love where you live.